guys, happy Halloween! Today for a 1-minute read, we're reading about hummingbirds. Small and fast. This is passage number 409. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds. Their average length is about 3 inches long. Sometimes people think they are large moths or butterflies. Hummingbirds have short legs that have tiny, weak feet attached to them. There are over 500 kinds of hummingbirds found in the United States. Hummingbirds are mostly found in the eastern United States. They are not found anywhere in Europe or Asia. These tiny birds fly so fast that their wings are a blur. They move their wings so fast they can even fly backwards or upside down. Hummingbirds can also hover over flowers. While they are hovering, they drink the flower's nectar using their long bills and their long tongues. They fly so fast that they catch insects in the air while they are flying. They also eat insects they find on flowers. Hummingbirds make their nests on leaves or twigs. They only lay 2 tiny white eggs. These eggs are less than ½ an inch long. The male hummingbird has nothing to do with building the nest. The male does not help take care of the babies either. The female hummingbird is the only caregiver. She takes care of the babies in the nest for about 2 weeks. Then the young hummingbirds learn to fly and leave the nest for good.